Where is Penny and Daddy? Where is Penny and Daddy? I wonder if they're in her room. I don't know. I don't see them. Where are they? Oh, and where do you think they are? I wonder if they're in a bin over here. Don't think so. Don't think so. Now, wait a minute. Maybe are they under the covers? That was a good hiding spot. That was a good one.
Now this.
Now this one?
Baby and Penny and Daddy and me.
Okay, we can't give away our hiding spot though.
Okay, bye-bye.